Hello friends, welcome back to Jayant Vlogs. Today we are going to learn how we can install Java into our systems, either it is Windows, Mac or Linux system, doesn't matter. You can install the Java into all these three OS. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how we can set the Java environment or a so-called Java home environment so that we can use the Android Studio into our laptop or a computer. So we are using today is the Windows 10 systems, and we are going to install the Java JDK and JRE into our Windows 10 computer. So to do so, you simply need to search Java JDK into your Chrome browser, and whenever you search that, the first folder will come with the Oracle, and the oracle.com is the official provider of the Java JDK file. So to download that, click on the first file that you see on the search result. It's called as Java downloads. When you click on it, it will open the oracle.com/java/technologies/download page. Okay, so scroll down. Now when you scroll down, you have an options. Either you want to install the Java SE for the Java SE 16, Java 11 and Java 8. So today we are going to install the Java 8 because our system support Java 8. So to do so, we need to simply download, and to download we have so many operating system options available in the Oracle website. So it's called as Linux, Mac OS, Solaris and the Windows. So today we are using the Windows, and on the Windows section we have two options. Either we want the 64-bit installer or the 86-bit, also called 32-bit installer. So we are currently using the 64-bit system, so we are going to install the 64-bit installer and click on the download button. And when you click on the download button, it will give you a prompt page where you have to accept the terms and conditions of the Oracle website. And once you click on that, you are able to download this JDK. We have simply downloaded this file to save your precious times. So now we are going to close this window and going to click on the downloaded file which we have downloaded for you to show you the installation processes. So when you click on the file, it will show you this message like a smart screen can't be reached right now. So we have to run. So this system occurs when you are using newly launched systems like Windows 10, and this is very quite simple issues with the lock screen. It is resolved when you switch off your lock screen from your firewall setting into your computer. Click on the yes that we want to install the Java SDK, and once you click you have the installer page open. So click on the next, and it will tell you like where you want to install this. You have to choose the installation folder. So we will install as it is right now. So click on the next, and once you click on the next button, it will complete the installation file. Yeah, it is now done, and the folder is Java. So we will check it later on. Once the setup process is done, then we will only check the file. So wait, it will take like 2 to 3 minutes to complete this process. Meanwhile, we can use open the cmd command known as the command prompt, and we will try to type Java, and this is the Java which is installed in our system. You can see now the Java installation is done. We will close this prompt and open the Windows folder. We will go to the C drive, then click on the programs file, then click on the Java folder you will see inside here. Now we will require to rename this to the JDK. We will remove the number from their file name and click on the continue. Now this folder is called as JDK, and now we will calling this name as JRE. Remember, this two folder is required if you are going to install the Android Studio. This is very important JDK folder. So now to install the setup, to complete the setup and complete your first step like creating your environment, what we required, we need to open the Windows C, and we will open this in the new window. Click on the options and go to the property section. You will see advanced system setting options inside your computer setting. Close the first one. Close the open the environment variable. Okay. Now first we required to control. We need to create user variables as a Java home. We click on the new folder and turn on your captcha and write Java_home. And the variable setting, go to the Java folder which you have downloaded, open JDK folder, then open bin folder and copy the source URL and paste this source URL into the variable value and click on OK. Once you do that, you will see variables at Java home and the value is program file, Java, JDK and bin folder. Okay. Now we need to set the path also. To do so, in the system variables, open system variables and edit that. Now we can add so many things here. First of all, we need to copy this variable file Java JDK bin folder and paste it here as a new and enter. Then go to the new section again and now go to the JRE folder, open bin folder and copy this URL, also called the path of the bin folder. Now when you open this, click new and just paste also. Then click on the OK. When you do this, the first step is completed and now the Java SDK is completely installed into your systems and you are now able to use this. To recheck that, we will again go to the systems and click on the properties, go to the advanced system setting, click on the environment variables. Now you are able to see Java home as here and we have a path here. In the path section, we are able to see JDK bin and JRE bin folder is also present here. Now click OK. OK. Now all is done. Now run the command as in the command prompt as Java. Now you can see C drive Java JRE 1.8.0 is installed. So now we don't need to do anything. Now it is completely done and now we are able to use your Java file into your systems without any issues. So thank you friends for watching my videos and hope to see you again. Bye bye. Jai Hind दोस्तों.